Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to do a snack. We were at a restaurant the other day and Catherine got some vegetable tempura. We really liked it, so I thought, we can make that at home. So we're making nice, hopefully light and fluffy batter. We're going to deep fry some yellow squash, sweet potatoes, of course, onions, and some broccoli. So let's get started. This ought to go pretty quick because I've already got my deep fryer heated. I've got my onions sliced. Make sure when you're doing your sweet potato and your squash that you, after you've washed them, make sure they're really completely dry so they don't really splatter a lot when you put them in the grease. So this batter is really nice and simple. I have 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Into it, I'm going to put 1 cup of cornstarch. Of course, the cornstarch is going to make it a light batter, but the main thing that we're going to do here is we're going to put in some club soda. Add 12 ounces of club soda if you want a real nice light batter. I like it a little bit heavy with a thick coating on it, so I'm only going to add 10 ounces of club soda. To mix this up, we want to make sure the flour and cornstarch is dissolved, but we don't want to really over mix this because we don't want this batter to get doughy. We want it light. And it's okay if it's a little bit lumpy. You can salt to taste. I'm not going to put too much in. I don't really eat a lot of salt. I'm probably going to put in about 1/8 of a teaspoon. All right, let's start with some of the vegetables that I think will cook a little faster. So I got my onion slice. I'm just going to carefully pull each ring off. We'll leave 2 on there. I think those thick ones will be kind of nice. Yeah, I'm going to leave like 2 at a time on there. And then the middle, I'll leave solid. So let's try these. We'll put them in the batter. Let them drip off a little bit. We want a lot on there, so let's just let it drip off a little bit, then put them right in. Ooh. I guess we can go ahead and put in our other vegetables. I'm going to do the broccoli next. And I've got a lined, paper towel lined plate to put these on when they're done, just to absorb any excess oil. So you can try to flip them over a little bit just so that they get good oil on both sides. Okay, I can see them starting to turn a little brown. So this tempura batter is, I guess thicker than most tempura batters, and so it's going to have a really good coat on here. Hopefully make it really nice and crispy. All right, let's pull these out. What I like to do is to take your time putting in the next set of vegetables, make sure that oil has time to heat back up again. Okay, let's try the broccoli florets next. The rest of the vegetables will do about 5 minutes. while that's frying, I'll slice some yellow summer squash. And again, it's, you know, you want like 1/4 inch slices. Okay, it's been for 4 minutes, I think. Let's pull these out. I'm gonna try some of these little nibbly bits. Mmm, crunchy, yum. All right, they're starting to turn a little brown. Let's go ahead and pull them out. We'll put these on a nice serving platter, and we'll test them. All right, so here we have it. I'm gonna try one each, just plain without sauce, and I just have a, what do I have? a creamy Caesar dressing, bottle dressing. You could use ranch. Let me try the yellow summer squash first. Very light, nice and crispy. Let's try onion. That must have been the last one I did. It was hot. Yeah, really good. Let's see, what haven't I done? Sweet potato. I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce dip on that. Nice, sweet potatoes cooked good. Yeah, actually I like the creamy Caesar. Excellent. Now let's try the broccoli. Really nice. Yeah, really good. I kind of like the consistency because, like I said, it's a little bit heavier than a regular tempura, but a little bit lighter with, you know, the breadcrumbs and all the other stuff that goes on your normal onion rings. So I really like it. It's really good. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you so much for watching.